Hello and welcome to another project update. So today I worked on the loot system a little bit more. I added some more stuff to make it a bit more robust, I guess you could say. There's more stuff involved. There's so there I've made so that different items have different probabilities. So for example, when you hit a bush, now it has a 1 in 3, I mean, a 3 in 4 chance of dropping currency and a 1 in 4 chance of dropping a heart. And I can demonstrate that using. What I did in order to test this is is basically I just created a bunch of items that use bush as their loot ID, being these tulips, and now spawned a heart. Come on. Okay, that one spawned a coin, but it spawned in the ground for some reason. I need to figure out what's going on with that, but it's not a priority right now. Okay. So now there's a degree of randomization. I think what I should also do is I should make it so that it can also just not spawn anywhere at all, because in these sorts of games you don't necessarily get loot every time you break like a yeah, like, you don't always get loot every time you kill an enemy or break a bush or something like that. It's kind of yeah, there's like a chance of it that'll happen. So anyways, but in addition to this, what I did is I decided to get back to work on the dungeon level, which I put a pause to for a while because I wanted to create some more enemies and objects that I could use in the level. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that would be this level here. Anyways, when I'm done in the boss store, it is going to go over here. And this will lead to the dungeon boss. And it's not modeled yet, but I started working on it today, and I have a basic idea of how it's going to look. It's not animated yet. I literally just finished how it is going to, like, the general model just now. I might even continue tweaking it. I might make it so that the chains here have a bit more depth to them. But that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think that the next time I work on this project, you're going to see me. You're going to see me adding stuff to the dungeon once more, which is good because that is ultimately the level that I want to be working on, and I hope to get the boss and stuff playable, and yeah, and then yeah, the light is at the end of the tunnel for chapter 1 of the game, and yeah, hopefully it'll be done within sometime within this year. I don't know for sure, but not the whole game, just like the chapter 1 portion of the game. So yeah, that's probably it for now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.